Welcome back to techburn. Today, we're diving into Xiaomi's latest budget-friendly launch, the Redmi 14c. Is it worth the hype? Let's take a closer look at what makes this device stand out. Its pros, and any potential starting with the design. The Redmi 14c keeps it simple yet sleek. It has a polycarbonate back, which helps it stay lightweight and easy to grip. It's available in 3 colors: midnight black, aurora blue, and mint green, so there's something for everyone. The build quality feels solid, especially for a budget device. And at around mention the weight, 190 grams. It's pretty comfortable to hold. There's also a fingerprint sensor on the back for quick unlocking, a nice addition in this price range. The display is a 6.7-inch AD+ screen. It's not full HD, but the colors are surprisingly vibrant and bright for the price. Watching videos and scrolling through social media looks quite decent. And with the slim bezels, you get an immersive experience, making it pretty good for casual streaming or light gaming. Under the hood, the Redmi 14c is powered by a chipset Snapdragon 680 or MediaTek Helio G85 with mentioned RAM options 3GB or 4GB RAM. It handles basic tasks well, like browsing, using social media, and even light gaming without major lag. Just keep in mind, this isn't a powerhouse for high-end gaming or super heavy multitasking for the average user who needs it for everyday tasks. It's more than capable. Plus, it comes with MIUI 13 based on Android 12, so you'll get access to the latest software features from Xiaomi. Battery life is where the Redmi 14c shines. With a 5000 mAh battery, you can easily get through a day and even some more with moderate use. Whether you're watching videos, chatting, or using social media, this battery keeps going. And it supports 18W fast charging, which is a huge convenience. The Redmi 14c has a 50MP main camera and a 2MP depth sensor. Photos in daylight come out detailed, with fairly accurate colors. Low light performance is just okay. You'll see a bit of noise, which is expected at this price point. The 5MP front camera takes decent selfies, too perfect for social media. Alright, time for the quick pros and cons. Pros: good battery life, decent performance for daily tasks, and solid design for the price. Cons: no full HD screen and a slightly weaker low-light camera. Overall though, if you're looking for a budget phone that covers the basics well, the Redmi 14c is a strong contender. So, that's it for our Redmi 14c review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments what you think about this device. Would you consider it as your next budget phone?